It's Farmer Finn. We're back at Rocky Knob. Feeding time.
Giving the hogs a treat.
I don't know about you, but I'm ready to plow.
I'm ready to plant.
I'm ready to eat the corn. Here's
Joke
the joke
of
of
the
the day. How does a hamburger introduce his wife? Meet Patty. Another joke while we're hot.
What is a farmer's favorite candy?
A Jolly Rancher.
They cracked me up.
Y'all have fun here at Rocky Knob.
Yeah.
Of course.
What's your favorite thing to do here at Rocky Knob, Finn?
Ride the tractors.
What's your favorite thing, Molly? What about you, Jacob?
Take care of the animals.
Do you feel like you've learned anything this year up here?
Yeah.
Do you like to come here? Okay. Water's still running over at Les's Pond down.
Yep.
Getting a lot of rain here this morning at Rocky Knob. Let the water out of the lot here. Pigs are growing great. They've had a bath this morning through the night. Real happy with the way that they're progressing.
Make it to church this morning. We got flooded in. These hogs sure are enjoying their breakfast. If Tabby wouldn't have opened the water gate over there, that they would need water wings, life jackets. I don't got my boots, so I gotta keep my shoes clean. But I'm still a farmer. Okay? I ain't a basketball player or nothing. My dad just likes basketball. Is it sloppy in there?
It's sloppy. Sloppy man.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
I'm washing the chicken poop off my lunch food.
Oh! Don't gotta be so mean about it. See you guys? That's what you gotta say. I was just kidding about Aunt Tabby. She's never mean to me.
Here's some pictures Tanner took from the cornfields.
watching.
Like
And subscribe.
Farmer Finn wanted me to add his footage he took with his iPad.
We've had a big flood this year. Had a big storm came in this year. It's been pretty bad. It's been pretty bad since Christmas.